Today's story starts with a donut, but not just any donut. This donut has sprinkles. This donut has energy. And this donut has a leash. Meet Arnie the Doughnut, Mr. Bing's best buddy and his official donut dog. Yes, you heard that right. A donut who acts like a dog. Arnie loves being a pet. He has a soft sprinkle bed to sleep in, a dog bowl full of chocolate milk, and even a tiny leash with his name tag, Arnie, Pet Doughnut. Every day he rolls after frisbees, chases crumbs, and naps in sunny spots on the counter. But Arnie's favorite day of the week? Saturday. Why? Because that's the day Mr. Bing puts on his bowling shoes, packs his ball, and heads to Bing's Big Bowlerama. And guess who always goes with him? Arnie! Woof! Let's roll, Mr. B! The bowling alley is Arnie's dream playground. Giant, shiny lanes, cheesy nachos, bright, blinking lights, and the sound of balls knocking down pins. Boom! But lately, something's been off. Mr. Bing, who used to bowl strikes with ease, is now rolling gutter balls again and again and again. Mr. Bing said, "I don't get it." The team sighs. The crowd groans. Even the snack bar guy stops tossing popcorn. Something isn't right, and Arnie smells it, although it might just be the stale onion rings. Then Arnie starts to notice weird things. The bowling ball rack spins when no one's near. Shoelaces get mysteriously tied together. And, worst of all, jelly trails keep showing up on the lane. Arnie said, "That's not regulation, jelly people." Arnie knows what he must do. It's time to investigate. And this is a job for the Snack Squad. Arnie races back to the snack bar to call in his crew. Pizzo, a confident pizza slice with melted charm, Fritz, the twisty pretzel with a knack for puzzles, and Clara, a jelly bean with a giant magnifying glass. Pizzo said, "We got a case or what?" Fritz said, "Let's crack it before we get stale." Together, they formed the Snack Squad, defenders of bowling justice. The plan? Simple. Set traps, catch the culprit. Arnie said, "Cheese spray trap near lane 3, jelly jars behind the snack bar, and don't forget banana peel by the shoes." The Snack Squad goes into action. Arnie rolls through the shadows. Pizzo distracts the staff with free samples. Fritz deciphers jelly smears like a seasoned sleuth. And finally, they spot movement behind the scoreboard. A shadow, a wig, a suspiciously round shape. The Snack Squad leaps from hiding. Arnie shouts, "Freeze, frosting face!" The Bandit spins around, covered in jelly, wearing a stolen name tag and slipping on a cheese slick lane. Everyone gasps. It's Bobby Bagel, the jealous ex-champion who hasn't bowled a perfect game since 1998. Bobby said, "No one cheered for me anymore, but him, a donut?" Bobby is busted, and justice is served with a glaze. With the mystery solved, Mr. Bing gets his confidence back. Strike after strike, he dominates the lanes. The team cheers, the crowd chants, and Arnie gets a medal, a golden mini bowling pin with extra sparkles. Mr. Bing said, "You're the best donut dog a bowler could ask for." And Arnie, he sits proudly at the lane's edge, jelly paw print on his tag, tail wiggling with pride. And so ends the case of the bowling alley bandit. But don't worry, Arnie's not hanging up his detective hat yet. Arnie said, "Who knows, next week we might have to track down the nacho cheese phantom." Thanks for joining the Snack Squad, Junior Detectives. Until next time, keep your sprinkles sharp and your jelly traps ready.